Good morning. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today on Faces of Commerce, we're here with Justin Fulford with Fulford Heating and Cooling. Hello, Justin.
Hey, good morning, Karen.
Good morning.
Thanks for the opportunity to be here.
Well, we're very excited. You've been in our community for a very long time, haven't you?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say this is our 47th year of being in business. My grandfather started the company in 1974, so I guess I need to do the math, but that's where we're at. But my dad and mom, family, we're a local family business here in Brunswick, New Hanover County.
Tell me where you're located.
We have two locations that we hold right now. One's located here in Supply. The second is located in Wilmington.
What kind of services do you provide? I mean, the heating and cooling sounds like it's straight up, but there's a lot more to it.
There's a lot involved with heating and air. We're also involved doing crawl space work. We also do a lot of attic insulation, spray foam insulation. But the number one thing and most important is the HVAC work. Service, installation, maintenance, indoor air quality. That's what we kind of pride ourselves on doing every day.
So people get these annual contracts. You guys do those as well, right?
That's correct. We come out twice a year. This time of year, we're doing a ton of our spring maintenance. Very important to clean the drains out. Air conditioners are coming on. But we also come out in the fall of the year to do the heating checks as well.
So when you walk into a house and you kind of smell, I'll just say, dirty feet, that's something that you need to take care of, right?
It's called, it's actually a syndrome in our industry, dirty sock syndrome. That's what it smells. And we got a product here, it's the iWave technology. Helps eliminate odors in the home. This product is really new to our industry, but it's also been a product that has been proven to kill this new virus that we're dealing with, COVID, during the pandemic. It's a very good product to go inside the HVAC systems to help clean the air better air to breathe.
Right. What other kind of things do you want to tell us about your business?
Well, some of the products that we offer, we're highly rated with American Standard Heating Systems. It's a coastal design system, withstands the strong coastal environment that we live in every day. Also, we have Mitsubishi ductless technology that is coming on and becoming a very large portion of our industry. Something that this past year in North Carolina, we were the top dealer for Mitsubishi. Very proud to earn that recognition. But it's a very innovative product, very small, compact. Works very, very well in sunrooms, garages, bonus rooms. Kind of can place the systems all over the house. Wonderful. But also another service I didn't mention is geothermal, something that we've been doing. My grandfather was very intrigued by it. My dad's carried it. And I'm a firm believer in it as well, but we're using the ground temperatures to transfer heat. And it's a very efficient system, and you don't have to worry about an outdoor unit in this coastal environment rusting away and loud noises outside. Everything's either in the crawl space, in a garage, in the attic, but it's a very efficient system that lasts 25, 30 years.
Well, it sounds like you grew up in the industry, you know your stuff, and where do people call?
Well, looking to contact us, you can reach us at the office at 910-842-6589. Also, a very popular option is the internet. You can go to our website. We can be messaged through our website, communicate, and schedule. That's the best way to get in touch with us.
And the website address?
Fulford Heating and Cooling. What is it? FulfordHVAC.com.
FulfordHVAC.com.
Yes,
all right. Well, thank you, Justin, for being on Faces of Commerce today, and we look forward to many more years of the Fulford family and many more generations.
Yes, ma'am. We have one to come. Thank you.